Today we are going to create something amazing. A method where you can make long videos in just a few minutes. With this website, you can even create a 30-minute long video in only 15 minutes. Yes, no need to spend hours anymore. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make 30-minute long AI videos easily. This website also supports English, Urdu, Hindi, and many other languages. So stay tuned and check out this channel for more. Look at the channel Hindi Fairy Tales. It has 12.1 million subscribers. They create long videos like this and upload them on YouTube. You can also make the same type of videos easily with a very simple method that I'll explain in this video. Don't worry, it only takes about 15 minutes, so you don't need to waste extra time. Just check the views on this channel. Many of their videos are getting millions of views. You too can make videos like this quickly and easily. The question is this channel monetized or not? I copied the channel link from YouTube and checked it on Social Blade. And yes, this channel is monetized. According to Social Blade, in the last 14 days, it has earned between $4.11K to $65Ks. Even after the new YouTube policy update on July 15th, this channel is still monetized. That means you can also create similar videos and start earning easily. First, check out this clip that I created. You've seen the video, now you can also make videos just like this.
The river's secret. Once, in a small village, lived a poor boy, his younger sister, and their frail old mother. The three of them survived each day by carrying water from the river far outside the village. Though the path was long and tiring, they never complained, for they loved their mother dearly. River ripples, silver spirit ascends, gleaming. Children, the spirit said softly, you are poor and weary. I can give you gold, fine clothes, and a rich home. Leave your mother. My gift ends suffering. The boy clenched his fists. The girl's eyes filled with tears. Easier life beckoned, but mother's age held them. The boy spoke firmly. No treasure is worth more than our mother. And the girl added, we would rather live poor and tired with her than rich and alone without her. The spirit grew silent. Then, slowly, she smiled. Your hearts are pure, she said. You have chosen love over gold. For this, I will bless you. The river shimmered, and from that day forward, clear water flowed directly into their little hut through a sparkling spring.
You've seen the video, now you can also make videos just like this. Let's get started. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It's very important to watch the video completely, without skipping any part. Otherwise, you won't understand the method properly. You have to open magiclight.ai. I will give the link in the description. Magic Light AI is an amazing and powerful tool that makes creating long AI stories very easy. With Magic Light, you can create a 30-minute story video effortlessly, without needing advanced skills. One of its best features is consistent characters, which means your story looks smooth and professional from start to end. It saves time, gives high-quality results, and is perfect for storytellers, creators, and content makers. Magic Light AI truly changes the way we make stories with ease and creativity. On magiclight.ai, I click on Create. After that, two options appear: Smart Script and Basic Script. Here I will show you how to use Basic Script. You can choose it according to your own story. Below, you will see many styles available, like 3D, cute 3D cartoons, Pixar, Disney, epic, realistic, animals, kids stories, and many more. You can select any style you want. After that, you go to Please Select and choose a language. For example, English, Hindi, French, and many others. In my case, I will select English. Now I select Basic, paste my story, choose the Pixar style, and then click Next. After that, the story scenes appear. I click Next again, Important. Don't miss any part of this video because I will share more important details later. Every part of this video is important. Here, you can also change the characters, male, female, or even senior female characters. I select one character, and as you can see, the results are amazing. The characters look almost real, just like AI-generated models that can even be monetized. You can select any character you like. At the top, there is also an option called AutoCast. By clicking on it, you can automatically select characters. I click on Auto, and now you can see that the characters have appeared. If I don't like one of the characters, for example, the little girl character, I can simply change it and select another one of my choice. I select this one because it looks really good and fits well with the story. For the second character, I also have the option to change it, but I will keep it as it is since it looks fine. After that, I will click on Next. One important thing, don't miss any part of this video, because later I will share another great idea with you that will be very helpful. Now the images start generating, and as you can see, they are ready. Look at how amazing the images are, with consistent characters in every scene. In this way, you can easily create a small drama or even a movie-style series. Next, you can go to the voiceover option and select any voice you like. For example, I select James, but you can choose from many others like Tom, Richard, and more. All of them have really good quality voices. Now the images are ready, and to convert them into a video, I simply select one of the images and click on Animate. Here, you can choose from different animation styles such as Halo AI, Kling, Magic Light, or any other option you like. All of them are really good. I select Magic Light and then click Confirm. Once I confirm, the video creation process begins. In the same way, you just keep selecting each image and animate them step by step. This is how you can turn your entire story into a complete video. Magic Light AI is an easy-to-use and powerful tool that helps you create long AI stories effortlessly. You can make a 30-minute story without any difficulty. Its best feature is consistent characters, giving the video a smooth and professional touch. Perfect for creators and storytellers, Magic Light AI saves time, ensures quality, and makes storytelling smarter and more creative. Now the video is fully created. I click on Next, and after that you can add subtitles if you want. Subtitles. Make the video look even better and more professional. You can select any subtitle style that you like and apply it to your video. Next, you move to the background music option. Here, you can choose any music that fits your video. Just select the one that sounds best to you. Finally, I click on Generate Video. I select the 16:9 size, which is perfect for YouTube. If you want 1080p quality, then you need to upgrade to a paid package, but in 720p, you can still generate your video easily. In this way, you can also publish the video directly from here, or if you prefer, you can simply download it to your device. And that's it. Your video is ready. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to leave a comment and I will reply. Next time, I will bring another helpful video for you. Until then, goodbye. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one.